Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us do this matching game together, okay? These are the words and these are the sounds. Good, sweet, late, laugh, give, gave. So let's look out for the sounds and match them. Okay, the first one here is good. So where is good? Let's go. This is good. So let's match it to 8. Okay, and the next one is sweet. Let's go. Sweet. The next one is late. Can you guess? Yes. Okay, late. And the next one is laugh. So let's go. Laugh. The next one is give. So which one? Is it this or this? This is give. Okay. Okay. And this one is gave. Okay. Alright, let's have it together. Late, give, gave, good, laugh, sweet. I'll go over it just once more. Late, give, gave, good, laugh, sweet. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. God bless you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.